Hello lovely viewers and subscribers, welcome to my channel today. I am CN Ona, in case you are new on this channel and you are watching CN Great Counsels and Forex Trades. Today I bring to you a unique kind of video and it's all about investment into the future. Trust me, it's not going to cost you anything, so sit back and relax your mind and let's get into the video proper. And please be sure to watch this video to the very end so that you don't miss the most interesting parts of the video. Alright, without further ado, I introduce you to the investment opportunity that could make you rich, all things being equal at the end of the day. It is all about the Pi network or Pi coin. You may or you may not have been aware of the Pi coin or Pi network, especially those of us here in Africa. The Pi network is actually a new and first digital currency project developed by Stanford University PhDs in the year 2019 that aims to keep cryptocurrency mining at a considerably high rate accessible to all users or members, otherwise known as pioneers, right on their mobile phones with or without network, and whether the phone is on or off. Okay. The user only needs to log into the app once in a day to claim already mined coin for that day by clicking on the Thunderbolt icon on the app's homepage. The developers actually have the everyday people in mind, which hitherto have been put out of reach by the decentralization of the first generation of cryptocurrencies such as the Bitcoin, Ethereum and others, whose mining also requires a whole lot that the everyday people cannot afford, let alone using them as media of exchange. Now let's get into the part you have been waiting for. Here are the 4 reasons why you should invest in Pi network immediately before it's too late. Firstly, it's completely free. Investing in Pi coin is completely free for now, and you have nothing to lose or gain in the meantime, as the project is currently on its second phase, and that's the testing or testnet phase. Currently, the PiCoin has no value as it is yet to be officially launched. However, Pi mining is currently ongoing by pioneers and is free of charge, and users claim their coins as much as possible before the next halving of the mining rate and before the launching of the coin into a complete decentralized cryptocurrency blockchain, and that would be towards the end of 2021 or early 2022 according to the core team. So basically you invest with no cost today and no gain, but you actually stand the chances of becoming luckily rich when the coin is officially launched. This is because by then you would have mined and amassed several hundreds, if not thousands of Pi coin that would be available then for exchange and transaction. You have to know that all other cryptocurrencies started this way, but definitely not as fast and as unique as the Pi network or Pi coin. Secondly, another reason you need to invest in Pi coin immediately is because of its mining process. Okay, but why is it important? Why is it important for you to know? First and foremost, cryptocurrency mining is a record-keeping service done through the use of a computer processing powers. By mining, crypto's blockchains are kept consistent, complete, and unalterable by repeatedly grouping newly broadcast transactions into a block, which is then broadcast to the network and verified by recipient nodes. Now, here is the main point to note. Cryptos mining normally are mined by big high-tech companies who dedicate facilities to housing and operating large amounts of high-performance mining hardware, such as the GPU, that's the graphic processing unit, which is a specialized electronic circuit designed to rapidly manipulate, alter, and process memories to accelerate the creation of images in a frame buffer for output to a display device. These circuits have highly parallel structures that makes them very efficient for algorithms that process large blocks of data like the cryptos in parallel. Each block processed by this system usually contains what is called cryptographic hash, which is a mathematical algorithm that maps data of arbitrary size, often called the message, to a bit array of a fixed size, usually called the hash value or simply hash of the previous block, thus linking it to the previous block and giving the blockchain its name. And for this new block to be accepted by the rest of the block network, such a new block must contain what is called proof of work, otherwise abbreviated to be POW. Hey, wait, I know that the above explanation was a bit lengthy, but that's basically how cryptos are mined. But the big question now remains, how many people out there can afford these high-tech specialized mining systems? What about the technicalities? What about the stress, the resources, and all of that? Most people out there who are into crypto investment today, they only buy cryptos at a certain price and then keep them pending when the price would go up, and then they would sell and make huge profits. Okay, that's basically not mining. However, unlike other cryptocurrencies, the mining of a Picoin is seamless and uses a different consensus protocol, which is based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, whereby Pi nodes and blocks form trusted groups, otherwise called quorum slices, from mobile mining, which only agrees to transactions that those trusted nodes agree to. This way, nodes form security cycles or groups of 3 to 5 trusted people known to each of the network users. This security cycle builds a kind of global trust network that would prevent fraudulent transactions, as transactions can only be validated on the share ledger if the trusted nodes approve them. So the developers of Picoin, through their breakthrough tech, has made crypto mining so easy, and this allows you to mine Picoins on your mobile phone with no cost. All you need to do is to download the Pi Network app from the App Store with your mobile phone, and then sign up with your phone number and or your Facebook account, and then enter your official name. Now, this is very, very important because you will be required to verify your phone number and your Facebook account. And after the verification, your profile page should look like this one on the screen. And thirdly, it's a unique type of crypto. The Picoin is a unique type of crypto, and it's one of the reasons you should invest in it. Okay, now the Pi Network project map has 3 phases, and it's currently on the second phase, which is the testing phase. The phase 1 of the Pi Network project was launched on Pi Day, which was on the 14th day of March 2019 with its free mining app. By June 2019, 3 months after, the network had over 100,000 active users, and 1 year after, in 2020, when the phase 2 was launched, the network had more than 3.5 million active users. What a massive growth! The user base reached 14 million in March 2021, having unexpectedly crossed the 12 million mark in February 2021, making Pi Network one of the largest cryptocurrency network ever in the history of cryptocurrencies, even before official launching into the cryptocurrency blockchain. Currently, the network has over 15 million active users. Another uniqueness of the Pi Network is its mining process, which I had earlier talked about. The breakthrough tech actually allows the users to mine Picoins effortlessly on their mobile phones and at no cost. Also, there were certain feats attained by the network recently which were so fast and amazing, and was occasioned by the fast growth of the network. On the 1st of April 2021, the network, having exceeded the base mark expected as at that period, launched the Pi Wallet desktop version, which was only available to desktop users. And then the core theme made a promise to launch the mobile version on the 8th of April 2021. About 8 days later, the mobile version of the wallet was actually launched and was incorporated into the new Pi browser beta app, which according to the Pi core team provides a more direct and open Pi utilities interface for Pi apps developers and pioneers. Now the Pi mobile wallet is available and can be accessed through the Pi browser app. All you need to do is to download the app browser, and then from the official iOS or Android app store by clicking on the Pi browser button on the homepage of the Pi network mining app. This is very, very important also because the crypto wallet is something or a place that stores the digital credentials for your cryptos, in this case Pi coin. Okay, the wallet stores the necessary information about you that is needed to transact Pi coins. Hence, the launching of the wallet within the short period is actually a case in point about the growth and uniqueness of the Pi network project. The fourth reason you need to invest in Pi network immediately is because it will soon be late to invest at no cost. Like I said earlier, the Pi network and its breakthrough tech allows users to mine Pi coins, which is the cryptocurrency that runs on the network free of charge using their mobile phones. Of course, this is not going to be forever. Currently, the network is on its second phase, and that's the testing or testnet phase. Here, users can mine Pi coins with the current rate, volunteer to test out the Pi node desktop software on their computers, and the mining is still ongoing. But when the third phase or the mainnet phase is launched, there won't be further mining again. Although a date for the official launch of the third phase has not been set according to the core team, but it largely depends on the progress of the testing phase, which of course, as you know, is highly progressive. But in all, it's definitely going to be during the third phase, which may be towards the end of 2021. This is when Pi coin will move into a complete decentralized blockchain and is fully developed. This period, users who had mined Pi during the second phase of the project will be able to withdraw and exchange the coins into real money, trade on it, and also use it to buy goods and services. Please don't be left out, because this coin could actually be more lucrative than any other cryptos out there. Here is one of the biggest reasons for you to invest now, since you don't have anything to lose or gain in the meantime. Okay, in the beginning, Pi mining rate was 1.6 Pi per hour. This rate was halved when the users reached 100,000. It was halved again to 0.4 Pi per hour when it reached 1 million users, and again to 0.2 Pi per hour when it reached 10 million active users. It will continue to have reaching zero at 1 billion users, or when it is officially launched, whichever one that comes first. Currently, the network has over 50 million active users, which is why you have to join immediately so that you start mining at a considerable high rate of 0.2 Pi per hour before the next halving, and more so because I haven't seen any cryptocurrency network growing as fast as the Pi network. Okay, and the progress is highly exponential with promising feats and achievements geared towards its official launch. Trust me, this could be the very $1 trillion coin you've been waiting for. So how do you sign up then? I guess that should be the question running through your mind all this while. Okay, now look, your cash is not needed. You can keep your cash. Okay, it's completely free. All you need is an invitation from a trusted user. Every user was actually invited, and if you become a user today, you can as well invite some other persons. All you need to do, like I said, is to download the app from the App Store and then use the referral link in the description box of this video to sign up. The referral code will be needed during the sign up. Normally, if you use that referral link to sign up, you will have the referral code pop up, okay? Or simply put CNONA 1988 as your referral code. Please enter your official name, as this name will be needed during the KYC for you to be able to withdraw your coin, okay? Also, you'll be required to verify your phone number and Facebook account after the sign up. So that's all for today's video, guys. But don't forget that the world is going digital and the cryptos is the future. Don't be left out of the cryptocurrency revolution with the excuse that mining crypto is hard, investing in crypto is risky and all that. The developers of Picoin, through their breakthrough tech, has overcome these challenges and difficulties or excuses. With your mobile phone, you can now mine coin freely, thus making cryptocurrency mining so easy and seamless. That's why I am bringing this video to you in keeping to what this channel stands for, which is a channel that is poised for bringing great counsels, wealth and investment related content, and any other content that is success related. So before I say goodbye for today, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like if you have found any value in it. Also subscribe to this channel. Leave your comment in the comment section below. I would really like to read your comments. What do you really think about the Pi network? And then I will see you in my next video. This is CN Great Counsels signing out.